Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing makeover of my journal. Actually I bought it last year from Amazon but I haven't much used it. So I feel some rust stain has been developed on it. That's why I plan to make over of it. First of all, I cut this ribbon which is attached with the key which is not handy at all. It's hurting me and added some button on the top. Inside, I have pasted bukram seed and outside, I have painted with the acrylic paints. To get this shade of brown, I have mixed light brown color, orange, and the drop of red, and I have mixed it well to get the desired result. I have used sponge so color spread equally on the surface. Once it gets dry, I have drawn sunflower with freehand and after that I added yellow, orange and black colors to make shadow and the light effect. Trust me, the process is very simple but I love the result of this makeover. After adding all the details, I have added leaf and stem here to get a realistic look. Now it's almost done. I will apply gesso once it will get dry. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you like it. Before leaving, hit the like button and follow for more. Thank you.